Dear students, today we start the exercise 5.2, problem number 4, arithmetic progression, NCERT book. Now this problem given, which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18, 78. Now if we increase this, so 8 minus 3 is 5, 13 minus 8 is 5. If we increase by 5, at that time we get this 78. Now in which term we get 78? Now we want to find the value of n. Which term is 78? Solution: here first term a equal to 3. Common difference d equal to 8 minus 3 equal to 5. An equal to 78. Since nth term an equal to, you know this formula, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An means 78, a means 3, n minus 1 we want to find, d means 5 we get. This is 78, 3 plus 5n minus 5, 5n minus 5, 78, this is 5n, 3 minus 5 is minus 2, so 78 plus 2 equal to 5n, and this is 80 equal to 5n, so we get 5n equal to 80, and we divide 80 by 5, we get 16, n equal to 16 we get. So 16 number term is 78 we get. Therefore the required number of term, the required number of term is 16 term. We get 16 term is our answer. So if we increase 5, this is 3, 8, 13, 18, up to 4 terms given. Next will be 23, next will be 5 increase, we get 28. If we increase in this way, we get 16 number term is 78. So answer is 16 term. Now we consider problem number 5. 5 given, find the number of terms in each of the following APs. So this is 7, 13, 19, 205 given. Now dot given, how many total number of terms in this AP? So here 3 terms given, last term given. Now dot given means there are several terms. So how many total number of terms we have to find from this? Now solution 1 we consider. Here a first term, a equal to 7. Common difference d equal to 13 minus 7, this is 6. An, the last term is 205. Since we know an equal to nth term, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, an is 205, a means first term is 7, n not given, d given 6. So 205, 7 plus 6n minus 6, this is 205, this is 7, 7 minus 6 is 1, this is 1 plus 6n, So this is 205 minus 1 equal to 6n, and 6n equal to 204. 204 is 6n, and this equal to n equal to 204 by 6. 6 3s are 18, 24. 6 4s are 24. So n equal to we get 34. The value of n is 34, and this is our answer. Next we consider problem number 2. So now we consider this 2 number problem. 2 number problem given, I rewriting this 2. This is 18, 15 and half, 13 minus 47 given. So 1 2 3 4 given. So total number of terms we have to find. Here first term a equal to 18, common difference d equal to 15 and half minus 18. This is 2, 30, 31 minus 18. This is 2, 31 minus 36. This is minus 5 by 2. This is the value of d, and an given, this is minus 47. So last time given 47, minus 47. So we get, this is our an. Since nth term we know, or general term, since nth term an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So putting the values, the value of an means minus 47, and a means 18, plus n minus 1 remains same, d means minus 5 by 2 we get. So this is minus 47 minus 18 equal to minus 5 by 2 n minus 1. And if we adding this 7 and 8, 8 and 7, this is 15, and this and this we get 5, 6, 65. This equal to minus 5 by 2 n minus 1. So this is 65, and this becomes here 2 by minus 5 n minus 1. So dear students, our answer coming soon. This minus minus cancel, this is 13, this is 26 equal to n minus 1. So n equal to 26 plus 1, n equal to 27 we get. Therefore the required number of terms, therefore the required number of terms equal to 27. This is our answer. So these are very easy problem. I consider problem number 6. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP this or not. So this AP given 11, 8, 5, 2 ... the numbers gradually decrease, and ... given whether minus 150 is a term of this AP or not. Now you want to examine whether it has a term of minus 150 or not. So here first term A equal to 11, common difference D equal to 8 minus 11, this is minus 3. An equal to minus 150. Since we know the nth term, since an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, AN means minus 150, A means 11, and we want to find D means minus 3. So minus 150 minus 11, this is minus tricen plus 3, this is 1 6 minus 1, and this is minus 3 equal to minus tricen, this 3 taking left hand side, so 1 6 4 equal to minus tricen, and n equal to minus 164 by minus 3, so we get n equal to 164 by 3. Now if we divide this 164, if we divide by 3, 3 5 jar 15, 4, 3 3 4s are 12, we get 2. So this number will be 54 2 by 3. So the value of n is fraction. We can't find the fraction number of terms. The number of terms always natural number 1 2 3 just like this. So this is value of n is fraction we get. So minus 150 is not a term of this AP. Therefore minus 150 is not a term of the given AP. Of the given AP this 11 8 5 2 dot dot dot. Answer is no. Answer no. This is not a term of the given AP. So I think this solution is clear. These are very easy solution. I consider problem number 7. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So this problem is given. What is the 31 number term if 11 number is 38 and 16 number term is 73? Now we want to solve this problem. Let the first term be A and common difference B, common difference equal to D. So if this type of problem given, first you have to consider first term in common difference. So here what are given? Here given 11 term, A11 given 38 and A16 given 73. Now our requirement A31 equal to what? We want to find 31 number term. Since we know, since nth term is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is our nth term. Now putting n equal to 11 because 11 given and 16 given, so putting 11. Now a11, a plus 11 minus 1 into d. And A11 given 38, so this is A plus 10D. This is number 1 we consider. Again 16, this is A16, A16 equal to A plus 16 minus 1 into D. A16, this is 73, A plus 15D. This is number 2 we consider. So our aim to find A and D, we subtract these two. Now 1 minus 2 implies, if we subtract this 38 minus 73, this equal to A plus 10D minus A minus 15D. So this implies 13 minus 8, this is 5, this is 6, this is 3, minus 35 and minus 5D. A cancel, 10 minus 15 is minus 5. So this will be d equal to minus 35 by minus 5, this equal to 7 we get. The value of d is 7. Now you want to putting this value of d in equation number 1, we can 1 or 2 as you like. Now 1 implies putting the value of d in equation number 1, 38 equal to a plus 10 into 7. So this is 38 minus 70, this is 70. So we write another step, otherwise network will be busy. 70, then 38 minus 70 equal to a, then a equal to, this is 2 and this is 32. So we get minus 32 is a. Therefore a equal to minus 32 and d equal to 7 we get. Now these two numbers we get, first term and common difference we get, we can find any number of terms. Since our an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, this is our an. A means minus 32 and we want to find, we don't know n, d we know 7. So this is minus 32 plus 7n minus 7, this is 7n minus 39. This is our an. Now our requirement is 31st term. We putting n equal to 31. So ultimately we get our required term. So now A31, 7 into 31 minus 39, this is 7, this is 21 minus 39 and 17 minus 9, this is 8, this is 10, 10 minus 3 is 7, 178 our answer. Therefore the required 31st term equal to 178 and this is our answer. So dear students, the solution is nothing. If we have this type of problem, we always find the value of a and d, because a and d first term and common difference not given. If we get a and d, you can solve any types of problem. What number of terms, what is the number of terms is requirement, we can find in any number of terms. So this type of solution is very easy. If the solutions are very easy, then please subscribe my channel, like this video and click the bell icon. Thank you.